My dear students, good afternoon. I am today I am going to discuss same molecular formula and different NMR, that is isomer compound, and we have to identify or we have to determine the structure of the molecule structure of the molecule from the molecular formula by using the NMR spectroscopy. NMR spectroscopy, we have to find out that is the molecule. Let's see the molecule. Yeah, this is the molecule C13H18O2. C13H18O2. If we calculate the dBE value for this molecule, C13 means that is 26 plus 2, 28 minus 18, 10 divided by 2 means 5. In this molecule, there are 5 double bond equivalent is there. Double bond, there are 5 double bond equivalent. So the peak, let's find the peak. What type of peaks is available in this molecule? You can see there is two peaks in the aromatic region. In the aromatic region, two peaks, and it is 5.4 around is a peak, and there is a singlet at the 4.8 around, and we can see the pattern of the molecule. Pattern of the peak is, this is a singlet, this is another singlet, and there is two more singlet here. If we zoom it, let's see. Yeah, it is the singlet only. See, it is singlet. So this is two singlet, this is one more singlet, this is one more singlet, this is doublet, this is look like a triplet, and triplet little bit split, the head of the trip, every peak is little bit splitting. So we can say it is some means long range coupling, we can say, means very less coupling type of things. And in the aromatic region, that is also, we can see that is also doublet, two doublet. And let's see, and if it is 13, then this, if this is 3, looks like a 3 proton, and this is looks like another 2 proton, and see, this is heightless, but width more. So this is very thin for if 3, then this is definitely another 3, and this looks like height is less. If this is 3, then this is 2 maybe, and this is another 2, and this is maybe 1, and this is 2 and 2. So from the molecular formula, we can see that the spectra of this molecule is a this is a doublet, AB doublet, means this is having a para substituted benzene ring, and this is the CH bond, and we know this group, this is OCH2, but definitely this is, I told you, benzyl proton is coming at 4.8 around, benzyl proton. This is benzyl proton. Another thing, whenever you will do the practical compound NMR, this benzyl proton is coming with a here a little bit height of triplet, means very minute type of triplet. Just if I am having any compound, let's see original compound spectra. Uh, just for earlier some in some molecule I might have shown. See, this is a benzyl proton. See, OBN. This is a benzyl proton. See, a singlet with a peak height of this one and this one, means the triplet not exactly triplet, but this type of in original molecular NMR peak, this type of things is coming for benzyl. So benzyl, you can identify this type of benzyl group if benzyl is not substituted with some other group. So benzyl proton you can identify like this. So here uh, here we can see this is a benzyl proton 4.8, and see this is a doublet. See, this is a doublet 4.2. So this doublet is also looks like this doublet is looks like OH attached, and this is also O means OCH3. This is OCH3. This is this is OCH3. This is OCH2. This is OCH2. We got OCH2, and this is singlet. Both the CH3 methyl is singlet. Now let's see how many proton we counted here. How many? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13, 1, 14, 14 and another 4, 18. It is matching. It is matching. So in the molecule, we can see there is a para substituted, and this is looks like a this one looks like a methoxyproton. So let's draw one. Let's draw the molecule. So para substituted molecule, and para, that is also methoxy, para-methoxy. So we are writing para-methoxy directly, methoxy, and 4 double bond gone, and there is a one benzyl group, and benzyl group is a singlet, means benzyl, this is benzyl. So already 2 oxygen gone, and another double bond proton is there, double bond proton. So double bond proton, and this is a CH2. This is a CH2, but doublet. CH2 is doublet, means CH2 is attached to a single proton. How can a single proton CH2 can attach? CH2 means here is a CH2. Here is a CH2. Means this CH2 will come as a doublet only because of this hydrogen CH2. And another, see now how many carbon is there. This is already 8 carbon, 9 carbon, 10 carbon, and another 2 methyl is singlet. Both the methyl is singlet. So if we connect this one, so this is methyl and this is methyl. Both will come as a singlet. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbon gone, 5, and here is 8. This is 13 carbon. 13 carbon and hydrogen 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 3, 18. 18 carbon. So we can directly attach this bond here. This one, and let's see it is matching with the molecule or not, with the spectra or not. This one. So this one. So this CH3, this one. So singlet, and this methyl is definitely this methyl, and this benzyl is this one, and this hydrogen is triplet due to this one, due to this this triplet. This is triplet, and this is doublet due to this one. So it is matching. We will see another molecule with same molecular formula, but different spectra. See, same molecular formula, C13H18O2. But here you can see this is a CH 6 carbon maybe, 6 carbon maybe, and this is again this is looking like similarly O-methoxy. Earlier also you have seen O-methoxy 3.8, and this is look like O-methoxy only. And now this is a triplet. This is a triplet, and this is look like a quartet, and this is again two singlet, and again CH3, one CH, alkynes, alkene CH, alkene CH. See, so see, this is a 6, this is a 4 proton, this is 4 proton, this is 5 proton, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 gone. So 18 protons. So now we can write a structure of, what is that? Let's erase the molecule, and looks like all the protons are same. All the aromatic protons are same. How can it be same? How can it be same if it is OCH3? OCH3. OCH3. OCH3, then OCH3, and if we write O here, oxygen here, then OCH3, we can we write OCH3? Cannot, because another CH3 is not there, because if that is there, then another 6 proton should come as OCH3. Is it there? Not. It is not there. It is not there. But there is a triplet. So we can write CH2. Means very close to each other, CH2. So how can this can be come as a triplet? This proton, I am telling about this one. This one how can be triplet? Because then definitely the attached another CH2 group is there. If another CH2 group that is there, then only it will come as a triplet. So another CH2, another CH2. So this one now, let's see this one, how this one is coming. This one CH2 far away from benzene ring, one is far, let's see this one, how it is coming here. So it will be again triplet. Is there any triplet? This is not triplet, but looks like a triplet. Let's see this one. Let's say maximize it on. Okay, this looks like a quartet, but that quartet is not equivalent. Means J value is not equal. See, the J value is not equal here. So not even quartet. If it is even quartet, then peak height will be same, and this peak height should be same. So this is called nice triplet, but this is not a nice quartet. So here definitely we can write here the this carbon having one hydrogen. This carbon having one hydrogen. Only one is possible. Then CH2. If the, sorry, we should write here. Become a bend here. So directly we should attach here. So CH2, CH2, H. So how it is possible? Then here is a double bond should be there. double bond should be there. Then see how many carbons is there. Is already 7, 8, 9, 10 gone, 11 gone. If C, this is CH, 11 gone. Then see, let's see what is the other proton available, other protons. So this is a CH3 again. We can see CH3 is sorry, CH protein is here. Another more two more singlet and triple 3 hydrogen is there. So let's write here, attach two more CH3. Two more CH3. So this is the this may be the molecule. Let's see what is the molecular structure. See this one. Okay. See this one. See, matching. And this is 2.38. This is because of this one. This is triplet, and another for this one will be is coming as a quartet. Sometime it should come as a doublet or triplet of doublet. Doublet of triplet means every triplet head should break little bit. Little bit. Then this is okay. Then again CH3 is here. This is OCH3, and this is CH2. This CH2, and this one is the alkene proton, and as both side is ether, both side is phenoxy group, means then all these 6 proton, 4 proton came as a singlet. All are equivalent. Because this is third CH2. So this will not affect that much. That's why this came as a singlet. But sometime it may come as very little bit different, but two doublet. Sometime it may come two doublet. Let's see another molecule. Same formula, another molecule. This is same formula, another molecule. See the pattern of the DB double bond equivalent is same here also. Double bond equivalent same. It is 5. It is 5. See, it is now double doublet. Double doublet at atomic union means para substituted, and this is 1H. Now see this proton much more shifted. Here earlier it came at 5. This see 5.2. Now it came as a 5.6. 5.6 plus. And here is a doublet now, and this one is a singlet, and this is again maybe OCH3, and this both see the methyl all came now the singlet. So all methyl 3 methyl are now singlet. So now this one looks like a toluenic proton. See, let's see the value. This is the value. So 2.34, most probably this is toluene proton, and this is O-methyl. And this is earlier no O-methyl was there. The earlier O-methyl was the benzyl group. See this one O 3.8 means 2 benzyl O and phenoxy O, and then CH3 that came at 3.83, but this one where came 3.30, means this methoxy group is not attached to this methoxy group is not attached to benzyl group, and it's looked like a toluene proton, and this is another CH3, this is another CH2. Now you can see 4 at 4 it is singlet, and at 4 6 means 4.68 it is a doublet, means both is OCH2, both is OCH2 now, both is OCH2. And how it is possible that both is OCH2? Let's draw the molecule. We got a para-substituted compound. We got a para-substituted compound. So let's write a para-substituted benzene ring. So this I told this is a now CH3, not OCH3, because it shifted much down, 2.34. So this group, and there is no benzyl proton. There is no benzyl proton. You can see there is no benzyl proton. This is 4. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for that. No, we are not writing now benzyl proton. Say like on double bond is there. So on double bond is there. One double bond is there. Maybe this one. One double bond is there. Now double bond is there, and 2 oxygen is also there. OCH3. So if we write OCH3 here, OCH3, and another CH3. Now this two is definitely below 2. Is there any peak below 2? How many peaks are there below 2? Only one peak is below 2. Only one peak is below 2. One peak is below 2. So one CH3 is there. So we have written wrong. So one CH3, but this is not CH3. So definitely this is not this structure. This is not. So we can, if we write OCH3 this side, OCH3, and this side if we write this one, CH2, then this will be doublet due to this one. Is there in a doublet? This is a doublet. This is a doublet. So this is a doublet, and another singlet is here. Another singlet. Another singlet. So how can be this much shifted and CH2? CH2. CH2. This is CH3 we got. Okay. One CH3 is there. Now at 404 position, at 4.4 singlet. 4.4 singlet means it definitely OCH2 and OCH2 singlet. How can be OCH2 singlet? Means OCH2 singlet means it should be how it is possible. How it is possible? Then the carbon should not have any hydrogen. Carbon should not have any hydrogen. If the CH2 should not have any hydrogen. How it is possible that oxygen, already one oxygen is there. So let's write oxygen here, one oxygen. That is not benzyl proton, definitely not benzyl proton. Then how? So if we put CH2, that will be quartet, but no quartet is there. If we put CH2 here, that will be quartet. If we put here, that is benzylic proton. That is not benzylic proton actually. So and this is not matching. Then also this is we got this one as a singlet. This one we got a singlet. So this is not matching. So how can we arrange that molecule? Let's cut it here. Let's cut it here. Now if we put one CH2 here, CH2. Now this attached carbon is this one. Is this carbon having any hydrogen? No hydrogen. So this is now a singlet. And this is much more. This is double bond out of CH2 and also methoxy group. So now let's see the structure. It is matching. Yeah. See, this is now is looking good. This is singlet and O methylene group, which is attached to some electron withdrawing group. So maybe here double bonded. Let's see it is matching or not. Yeah. See this one 4.04. This one we are this one, and this one the doublet. This one is doublet. Which doublet? This one. See. See. This one attached to this oxygen is attached to benzene, but this oxygen is attached to methyl. That's why it's much more downfilled. Let's see, much more downfilled, and this is little bit upfilled because this oxygen is attached to CH3, and this oxygen is attached to benzene ring. That's why it's much more downfilled. This is this one, and this is CH3, this CH3, and this is methyl. This is toluenic proton, and both are doublet. So this same molecular formula, but we discussed three molecule here. Let's see another aspect with same molecular formula. Again, this is the para substituted due to this double bond. Two double bonds are there. Still, this is a para substituted compound. So, and another, this one is much more shielded. So much more shielded, this one, and this, if we compare the earlier one, this is just opposite. You can see it was see this one and this one, just doublet shifted. Just see, this is doublet now, at 4 doublet, but 4.6 it is a singlet. 4.6 on singlet, 4.40 is doublet, and all the other proton is same. So there may be some change in the in these two group, which was attached here. This is CH2O on benzyl CH2 and OCH2. Means double bonded CH2 OCH3 methoxy group. So what is that? This one. So this one and this one earlier, this one and this one actually. So this one was a doublet. Now this one became doublet. This one become doublet. This one was doublet, so now this one is doublet. Now if we migrate this methyl to here and hydrogen is here, then it can be happen, because all other peaks are same. All our peaks are same, only this CH3 is here. If we write this CH3 here, then it is matching. You just see the NMR. See. So now 4.0, it came at same place, but this came doublet because this hydrogen attached to this carbon. Uh, this carbon, sorry. And this CH3 now attached to this carbon, which is attached to phenoxy group, CH2. This CH2 is now a singlet. So like this, we can have different same molecular formula with different molecule, but the NMR spectra can determine NMR spectra determine. But you have to whenever you are getting this type of molecular spectra, you have to read the NMR spectra very carefully, and you will able to solve the problem if you see very carefully. But you need to spend little bit more time with NMR. যদি একটু বেশি টাইম করে NMR দেখা হয়, একটু প্র্যাকটিস করা হয়, এটা নাথিং বাট অধ্যবসা। ইউ হ্যাভ টু রেগুলারলি প্র্যাকটিস, then only you will be able to solve this type of problem. So I think now you can make a right. You can draw a molecule. You can draw a molecule and their isomer, and compare their spectra. How it is possible to draw from that NMR spectrum. So you can do that. So I am going to give you one problem, same type of problem. So if you can uh, draw the uh, draw the NMR spectra of the molecule. I am giving one problem for you. uh, let's draw a molecular NMR, two molecular formula of the, and you try that molecule. On try to draw the molecule, draw the NMR of that both the molecule. So OCH3, these two. See, the molecular formula is same. molecular formula is same, but spectra will come different from a single. Most of the peaks will be same, but the pattern of the peaks will be different. The pattern of the peak will be different, so you can draw the molecule. So you can draw the molecule. Another problem, that is a difficult molecule to prepare, but you can try. I am just writing another problem. Just same isomer with this molecule. Preparation is very tough. It may uh, so you can try this molecule also. No, yeah, you can try this one. You can try. So next video I will do this for NMR. This will not take too much time, so I can try next day this 4 molecule for you. I am just copying this molecule for so that next day I can do for you. So 4 molecule with same molecular formula, and we will see what is the spectra pattern of the NMR spectra of this 4 molecule. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.